Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family and click the notification bell so you get alerts every time I post. And don't forget that I have a giveaway going on right now from October 1st through November 1st, a whole month to get a philodendron. I'll link the video with all the details in regards to the giveaway down below also. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.